This video covers who to contact when you need support during installation, activation, and while using your existing service. Lumen works hard to help ensure that there are no interruptions to your service. We are dedicated to providing you and your team members with 24/7 support for all your installed services. The Global Customer Support Team is positioned to support you with your new plug-and-play services. Plug-and-play services are designed to be self-activated when you are ready to get you up and running quickly. However, if you experience any issues while activating your new service, our Global Customer Support Team is here to help. For assistance, go to lumen.com and use our Click to Chat. For support with your existing services, our Service Assurance Team works to manage and execute repairs quickly when you create a repair ticket in Lumen Control Center. We know time is critical when you are experiencing an outage or service impairment, and we focus our technical expertise on restoring service as quickly as possible while keeping you informed of progress so you can focus on managing your business. You can use Lumen Control Center, which is your personalized portal that helps you efficiently manage your account. Its benefits include account maintenance, such as creating and managing tickets, running network diagnostics for repairs, and tracking your orders, in addition to several billing features such as signing up for paperless billing and paying your bills online. Control Center gives you the ability to quickly run non-intrusive network diagnostics by beginning the process of opening a repair ticket. When you begin the process, the first step is to run diagnostics. After the diagnostics, if a ticket is necessary, Control Center will walk you through the process. Whether you are activating your new service with the Global Customer Support Team or you need our Service Assurance Team to assist you with an existing service, we are here to support you. Visit our Delivery Support Library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.